Slim.
Yes.
See a man into Tili. Say a free neck corner. May Babe reveal can promise the secret to the trends and I send in Numa a great tree. Nasa me is our secret period. Next year, Baba Betina, Nipaa be 15 at year, Baba pre artist of the year who debate. Let me tell you, Numa a great training. Most of them know the dance takes the lead ahead of the sound. I'm not lying. The dance takes the lead before the sound. And untino, ye will give props to Dancegod, money and dancers. No, everywhere you hear a Stonebwoy song, it is the sound going before any freaking dance.
I see every time I can promise and you make the kind be I said the kind. Ya wa ha and a Stonebwoy ekoye aputeke ipokeke me pato we who dance no. Did you not see the dance? And o person who catch me till you Nipaa say me artist. It is always dance first. You saw incredible Ziggy. No okohona okoye aputeke ni pato no ye dey no ori and I said no ye.
The sound went first before the dance.
No interruptions during speech.
So don't say pato na butre aputeke okoye ekosaye. Also, me when you say if you say the dance went before the no starter because at some point the choir they were dancing to a song. They were dancing to the song, so there is no way you tell me say Dancegod Lloyd asa ina can promise no more. It's not true. There was a song ready and then there was a dance. And no matter where the dance has been with the song, it means that it is the song that has propelled that dance to go there.
Yeah. Ghana entertainment industry, metaphor. Yeah. Metaphor, meno say Artist of the Year 2025 PR's debate, ekoso ewa Accra, DJ Slim platform, so the street is watching. Onyame Insha DJ Slim say utimi host such an event for the musicians PR. Biemun so team na mo support no ma dwumadi eba mudie no monso onyame onhyiramo nia mo hwere bia no onyame onhyema namu, especially headless YouTuber Papa na boko there. Biemun so musicians PR mo koshia hon so onyame onhyiramo eye Vida ejinemu ma Stonebwoy, Tili ejinemu ma King Promise, ana MC Portfolio enso ejinemu ma King Paluta. Based on my observation, nia me pese me kanyina ne say ade na ekoso no eni se moma ye endorse na ye de beka artist of the year ne ho empenifo se asem kese bia eba ya na franka nsi so menya enka ewo se Tili ene Vida eba abonten na omobe render apology edema Stonebwoy ene King Promise. Frankly speaking, anyoma na ekoso e wo show ni so no entwa ye. The downplaying and the disrespect, was too much. Creative art is not about downplaying. It's not about disrespect. Mama maye nchasa esawe enfanto. Say artists be born homodin aye adwuma a whole year akotos ne sa nyoma no. Na abodini kakra ye di mo munti no e wo say ye set platforms bi na sabi omuhu nipa betena se ebe disrespect be downplay adwuma sabi ni yonko aye no. It's not very healthy for an industry. Many abadwe man na ekasa. Wo hwe no adwuma omra no akope ba bia tena. Because Ghana music industry nankasa medofo your problems are esoye no yenya hu ye ho ano ane abekọ akofa another culture, another disrespect culture we ababeka artist of the year ne ho and as a Ghana Music Awards ne ho I think say nia ekoso yi and am Ghana Music Awards nti anomo ye saade no enya Ghana Music Awards a menye sure say ka debate bi say ebekoso and unti Ghana Music Awards board no se mobile endorse bibi say kura na monfa emranto ho because abi before ye Nipaa u bie adema moma u ma omu free a fa full stop esi tomo mu say e free and yes somebody that in freedom And your man a course no, and answer your man I start a course. We are bedi we atem, we see where you say, we see what na de, we see what from the cotton, we see what the asane winning, yeah. It take away the credibility of the artist of the year. Artist of the year, and therefore, and you be mum no so better now better Nipaa no de oyeye. E was say what dwuma na ankasa no. Empanifo mposi eduana ba na be hu duakro. E was say what dwuma na ankasa timi kasa ma. Blacko e release ni album yi. Ye nyina hu to. Ene nsenkyerene a Blacko ye. Nyo bi na nye Blacko PR na e be ka che Ghana for say mo hwe adwuma a Blacko ye. Enu tiade e be me ya ne say year under review 2026 artist of the year ye nominated Blacko. This a Blacko couple baby and na be bi no abetiema be downplay amanfo nyuma ansa na ye hu say Blacko ye adwuma. What kind of life is that? This is below belt. I don't think America no. During the debate, portfolio or ya dear or shen hoso. On say sebi a member dear emotionally ayana empempi dodona very strong. Enunti me who say portfolio eshen hoso not to wahun to downplay on na ojina sebi and your man kimpaluta ayena. But for Tili and Vida, etraso. Ekoye very emotional. Omu free, but ye na nkasa so. Mempese me kasa bebre. Ye monra the camp. Na ye nkotie ensema sabi. Obia betoto ma ne yonko during the debate. Nemom se o akwantum o abrochire na opese o sendi sika ko momo number so ewo Ghana. Anase opese o sendi sika eko bank account bi so ewo Ghana. Therefore, my main come for Lemfi amount. The entire may come for Lemfi amount in an say. Oh, pay money transfer or more exchange rate. I was struck as a pa a Lemfi. Now I need you some crackers and say, was Europe. Now we have first transfer with 50 euros, amount 20 euros cashback. And I owe UK. Now your first £50 transfer, amount £10 cashback. Or Canada, any Americans now, you have $100 first transfer, amount $20 cashback. Nemum, answer na benya cashback no. Mema remfi say ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code. Biemu so se wa America na ope se wo ship nyoma e free Washington DC, Maryland, and Virginia. O diane Box Oak Logistics. Omu ye door-to-door shipping company. Medofo Fre box o says ya o fro ma when him round so no mujina waboboa no omba be box no man kama na omodi akọ Ghana asumdwe mama o omonso eni gisem ba akọ account ne say o fro ma ka kyerom say enam TheBonahShow so na o te omonka omonso mprempren na ombeche 10% discount ne chat woni say o kọ Ghana akodi udwuma bia na sabi udru Ghana be Kumase na udru Kumase obepe ba bia dam wasomadwo obepe baby a 100% security, a 100% CCTV cameras, air condition, chese. Ope baby a dam wasuma jowa, obe sorry with my yo aduane live to say sabi uti fie papa bi ma fre Pcash Properties. And I say call www.pcashproperties.com.
Me Slim.
Yes.
See a man into Tili. Say a free neck corner. May Babe reveal can promise the secrets to the trends and I send in Numa a great tree. Nasa me is our secret period. Next year, Baba Betina, Nipaa be 15 at year, Baba pre artist of the year who debate. Let me tell you, Numa a great train in Ano. Most of them know the dance takes the lead ahead of the sound. I'm not lying. The dance takes the lead before the sound. And untino ye will give props to Dancegod money dancers no. Everywhere you hear a Stonebwoy song, it is the sound going before any freaking dance. And it is if you want us to contest you in that bit, hey, make Kabibia say free sabreko artists bia ye nyina sa K-pop dance, street dance no. Ye bet siegum. And then we will see. Because every time the dance goes ahead of the sound. But back to Stonebwoy, no. Me say every time, no. So what's in car? It is the sound that is traveling the world before any formation dance. And you know, on getting straight into the trimo. Now, what's the hanum ebisa me say Stonebwoy biggest song in the day? Sa question no a blunder. Busa me say biggest repertoire. I mean shiengu amount. What's the hanum o terminate and you we beat you to it. Last year we won album of the year. What's the busa me say the biggest song in the day? Really? Not Terminator no and Slim. The reason why songs from the Fifth Dimension album will beat them is because our sound went first before any dance. But we know what they asa and they penetrating. And mind you, this is a genre, a minority. Now, I can say last year, now your nominations are 13. Now, say they do 19. No, yatiaba form. Let me ask Tili. Every relevant category in relation to the genre, Afro dancehall, no, yewohonumbi. And I'll list them for you. Reggae dancehall song of the year, reggae dancehall artist of the year, yewohonum. Best music video, yewohonum. Most popular song, yewohonum. Artist of the year, yewohonum. International collaboration of the year, yewohonum. Album EP of the year, even more Afro pop now. Wo Queen Promise ne feel so no net so ya sa nomination honum. And to tell me which other category na relevant are Stonebwoy represent here. And I am gospel song na. And can you say Stonebwoy akose gospel artist of the year and when we say wa boy adwuma na.
Vida, your time is up. Tili, 3 minutes for rebuttals.
Okay, when I think say me very simple. Or say
In-house.
Man, very simple.
In-house, yes, Remo.
Man, very simple. Once again, my started from
a great timekeeper.
My started from West because I know Casa recently. But your man is snake from Kakram. I see every time I stole can promise and you made the kind be and you said they did kind. Ya waha and a Stonebwoy ekoye aputeke ipokeke keke me pato we who dance. Did you not see the dance? And the person who catch me till you Nipaa say me artist. It is always dance first. You saw incredible Ziggy. No, no, aputeke ni pato. No, no, Rihanna said no.
The sound went first before the dance.
No interruptions during speeches.
So don't say pato na butre.
In-house, yes,
also, me when you say if you say the dance went before the no starter because at some point the choir they were dancing to a song. They were dancing to the song, so there is no way you tell me say Dancegod Lloyd asa ina King Promise no motato. It's not true. There was a song ready and then there was a dance. And no matter where the dance has read with the song, it means that it is the song that has propelled that dance to go there. Now, all can you now say, oh, it is a big blunder to say, your friend is say, what is the biggest Stonebwoy song over Terminator? Me beside wait to me answer. Or say it's a blunder. Now, me can repertoire. Although you, me beside one question. Still, la want to me answer me. But we say now, but me beside. Now, back to this gentleman. Once again, they be our okasa so on to me substantiating asem. They be or casa on to me substantiating asem. Just one time, Udia Kawasem, never be at the tour, Nami who said, would be at the tour, Ama Mekeke. Not source, no money relevant source, I ain't able to me check it. But Okase, he was the biggest, he was the day, the Nami check, and number star can it doesn't matter. Uguswa will translate, who put them in who they may yell go away. Because why this will be translated the whole time? Timmy Nim. One will say our Kasaya meet me rebutting and at least or there's something or the evidence to be about. But for you will say, I cannot rebut because intro na will try. I come in 40 seconds. Let me say this. Every time we are or can't send me or say Kimpaluta there, it is just we are 1 year per and you know credit. Kimpaluta ye tete artist why and he's not a new artist though. Ye Kasaya me on YouTube 9 years ago. In fact, time I me told me tell you pull to bear ha tete pa. So don't sit here and lie to us say Kim Paluta is a new artist. It is not true. Why ya na amfa? Enye na fe. Enye na fe. In fact, we onu crowd who on no one. So don't come and lie to us. 9 years ago, wa pre na amfa. Wa pre na amfa.
Thank you. Thank you for even reminding.
3 minutes.
Thank you for even reminding me of my own CV. I forgot that he had the biggest Esma song in 2024 with you. Congratulations, gentlemen. He gave you a hit. Congratulations. Paluta gave you a hit in the Esma season. Congratulations. Thank you for reminding me. Appeal. Ebiasu. Hey, Appeal Nibiasu host in the show. Hey, I forgot that Kim Paluta gave the host the biggest Esma song in 2024. Oh, congrats. And you know, I didn't end that honor. Made the fact not to her. Unim. Omo na ntronti. So omo de omo performance sheet beto a omo ntimi breaking it down. O de hwe performance sheet of Kim Promise. Omo de beto a o breaking it down. Now obeka no hu hwan across bubu mu na yenhwe bubu adinim segment no say eye din ade no aka album. E bia ne say me mu be prove nchem say Asante region. Eye na mo de aka mo performance sheet no. Come and prove to me. A year now, they come with performance sheet. That is all. But you know, we are celebrating music excellence. You know, music excellence. We share TGM before crying now. We say for the music. For the music. I can remember last year. Now, many are penny are not. It's a Robert Klein chain. And now I'm saying artists be making it for category B. And now, me who say I know the near break or challenging say I don't know artists where I'm artists na koha. Why you say? Robert Chenisano say yes, any artist can do all these things without even being vibrant. But the most important thing is, the song. We are celebrating music excellence. Enyom nenkasa. Enyom iswa. Me they say, TGM Menemu responding to Paluta omission. They told us, beyond online metrics now, they measure popularity. No, almost the other factors can hold. Say other factors no. They be actually debated through one so then why not digitally because on him say, oh, you know rich. A hawk radio, you know rich. Now me cry, hey, but you had congratulations. How you are able to bring Kim Promise into the Artist of the Year conversation this year? You yeah there. Because me cry the name coming in Senka, ebi an kamine minya no man ebo. But all the same cry na. E honum dey say, Tili cry manayɛ fo. What you say, Tili cry manayɛ fo cry. Tili ana mama who say, oh, say Kim Paluta strength no. Aha onwa mu baby a on say to be otimi kasa how say. I mean say online no. I mu dey share so difference ne so no man say, oh, enti mu gitum. Edu wan so a na waka say. Enti Kim Paluta ankasa dey. Say dem mekai no. May Nipaa no register a strong seat in Ghana's music industry, gaining nationwide acceptance. Oh, can the underground days? Now can promise when him one underground and son obey mainstream. Stonebwoy underground and son obey mainstream. I mean that it doesn't even cut here. I am talking about when he became something. So I am saying that 2024.
Time up. Right. Thank you very much.